This video is all about the tools used for bleeding the brake system. We will show you all the necessary equipment.
We offer tools for bleeding. We have the bleeding device and the adapters in our range.
The device is always portable. It doesn't need electricity or compressed air, and I can pump the pressure anywhere.
When do I need something like this? Of course, when I work on the brakes or brake hydraulics, like when I've changed a caliper, rebuilt a wheel cylinder, or replaced a brake hose. And when I have the system open, I must bleed it. Of course, I need a bleeding device for that.
It's a great addition to our adapters.
Introducing our innovative creation, the compact construction, the universal adapter. Designed to fit all non-standard lids, especially those with a threaded top, it guarantees compatibility. In case any lids lack these features, we will offer you an alternative adapter soon. With 2 arms on the side, our adapter's compact design ensures effective engagement. With the ability to apply pressure, it provides a secure and tight system or tool for bleeding the brake. Trust our adapter for a seamless experience.
We will show this again in the application. Just like in the application, we will also display our vehicle-specific adapter set, where I have 6 connections numbered from 1 to 6. It's worth mentioning that there is also an optional number 7. This means that in our manual, we find all the vehicle manufacturers listed by their respective numbers. Number 7, which must be ordered optionally, includes manufacturers like Chrysler, Jeep, Dodge, Ram, and other American brands.
Here we have our reservoir. In this case, it's a Toyota. This means you have, as we mentioned, our list. So, adapter 1 is suitable for Toyota. In this case, we also have everything in our set made of metal, which is nice. Once on top. Ensure that the sliding components are properly aligned and fit together. Squeeze and screw tight. Now we go. Connect the vent. Press the system. Because we have already pre-pumped and can now easily bleed the car.
Now we have our Mercedes here, meaning we possess a vehicle that meets European standards. I check our table and notice that I require the adapter 4, which is specific to the vehicle. After that, I will take our well-crafted adapter and easily attach it right here on top. So, now I can connect my ventilation device here normally again and begin my work, allowing me to bleed the braking system. So it's quite simple and quickly.
Now I will show you our third adapter. This is our universal adapter. This means we have once up here for loosening. Now we can pull the arms apart here. And down here, you see we have a large contact area. This means it's great for all these containers we showed you earlier with the universal adapter set that we possess. You can use it to cover everything else. Now we will move over here. You can see the lid and its size. This means you also know the size of the reservoir. Now we'll just put it over here. Set it in the center and slide the arms in. And now we fasten it at the top. And again, it's the same routine. Here's our bleeding tool on it now. And that's it. Now you can see that with this adapter, you can easily bleed all Asian vehicles without any issues. Now we have completed the application together. You have seen which adapter can be used. We have worked with our ventilation device. And you can see that you are perfectly equipped with our tools for bleeding and the adapters.
If you need more information, as always, check the description text below this video or simply look it up online.